Hello, it's Aaron from Apogee Locomotive Works, and today we are here to discuss one of our newest products, our snap-to-size smoke deflectors. Now, there's no real way or no easy way to obtain smoke deflectors for HF scale steam locomotives. You buy a locomotive that the prototype did have smoke deflectors, or you don't. That's kind of usually how it goes. However, Apogee Locomotive Works is here to provide a option for fitting smoke deflectors on prototypes that didn't really ever have them, or just if you want to add smoke deflectors to any locomotive. Now, they are a standard mainline steam locomotive smoke deflector, the size at least. They have rivets on one side. Camera focus, there we go. Rivets on one side, and on the other side there's like a Hershey's bar pattern. You can break the smoke deflector on these grids to shape it to whatever size you want. For example, I will use one of them here to fit smoke deflectors onto this 080. So, let's see here. It's a bit too big on the middle, like on the lengthwise, excuse me. So we could try to break it right here. Okay, and as you can see, it leaves a perfectly 90-degree cut. And let's take a look now, if I can get my fat fingers out of the way. Oh, shoot, I don't think I can. Oh my god, this is embarrassing. Hang on. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, looks alright. But I think I want to break it down. Oh, maybe one more. So let's see here. Yeah. I'm going to try to... If the camera will ever focus. Alright, there we go. I'm going to break it once more. Once again, perfect 90-degree cut. Or snap, should I say. And... yeah, that's about good right there. Or not, because the camera won't focus again. Apologies. Yeah, about like right there. I'll get another picture of it up close so you can see. But yeah, so they're $15 per pack. Each pack has 2 smoke deflectors, one left, one right. They are available on the Apogee Locomotive Works shop, apogeelocoworks.com, on the detail part section. Of course, when you break these, you got some extra material that you can use for, other kit bashing projects, so definitely save that. They accept all kinds of paint. But yeah, so take a look at these smoke deflectors, the snap-to-size smoke deflectors, our generic steam domes, our pantograph mounts, our, all our detail parts and all our different shell kits. Thanks for watching this video. I'm not quite familiar with recording videos yet, but I hope this one was entertaining enough. But yeah, thanks for watching.